Low float Eloxx stock ran up a huge gain of 206.18% in this session of the 15th of May 2023 on above average volume of 8 million shares and probably counting. The price crossed above its 50-day moving average as well as its 200-day moving average, and has a very tiny float of around 2.166 million shares, and the market cap is just around $7 million. So it is also highly vulnerable to manipulation. So the news, amongst other things, is the company disclosed its earnings outcomes. So the CEO of the company is saying or said that they're approaching a significant milestone for Eloxx, with top line data including kidney biopsy results expected for Eloxx-02 in Alport syndrome in the coming weeks, according to the president and CEO of the company. In addition, ZKN-013, their lead TurboZM based molecule, is the first program developed from heat to lead, and the excitement for the program continues to grow. Eloxx has additional promising Turbo-ZM based discovery programs in cystic fibrosis, fully funded by the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation, and in certain CMYSC overexpressing cancers. So amongst other things, the company disclosed. They also disclosed that they spent far less. They spent a little bit less in their research because they don't have any clinical trials. They had minimal clinical trials in the last quarter thereabout. So right now we can see what's going on with the stock. Let's see. You can see it spiked in this session, and on this daily chart we have seen that it's approaching its most extreme upper projection. So what it implies is that there's a good chance, amongst other things, that the stock is going to retrace. Given this 200%, there is a good chance the stock is definitely going to retrace. So expect it to pull back and correct. Expect that to happen. And if yes, that's what is likely to happen. Let's see if it's optionable. Even if it's optionable, there's a good chance the prices may not be that favorable. Okay, it's not optionable. So there's a good chance it's going to retrace. It's currently showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. Its MACD above the signal line, and shares are presently at 1.6% above the 200-day moving average, and that moving average is still declining, implying that caution is still warranted. So indeed, caution is really warranted. So if you really want to get into the stock, I would suggest that you wait for it to pull back and consolidate this gains around up, and just even see whether it's going to continue to rally. Obviously this is a biopharma stock. They are mostly still developing their concepts, and indeed the market understands that. But if it's sort of stocks you want to get involved with, right now may or may not be the best as things stand right now. Indeed, it may continue to rally as well, but if it rallies further, it will definitely re-emphasize the likelihood of a retracement. So as things stand right now, 200% gain in one session, there's a very good chance that it's going to retrace as well. So if you know how you're going to play that, take advantage of a coming retracement. By all means, see what you can make of Eloxx stock. So the most extreme upper projection, it has just right where it is, which is around 12.6. Okay, yes, it's not there yet. It's $12.65. That's the most extreme upper projection. So downward projections, we have 10.83, and all the way down to 5.38, which is also above where it closed in last session. That was the session on the 12th of May 2023. So Eloxx stock showed a lot of strength in this session. Expect a pullback. So let's have a look at the 1 minute chart and see what's going on there. Okay, so the highs of this session was $14.64. So yeah, and it's currently in this post-market session, it has cooled off now, trading out. It's still showing strength currently now. It's still high. It's higher than where it closed at. Higher than where it closed at. So, but even at that, the 200% gain was we are looking at that it printed was actually the gain was way more than 206%. So, yeah, we see how things go with the stock. And downward projections on this 1 minute live chart is 9.27. Upper projections from where it is right now is 12.84, and we have 13.41, 13.93, 14.42, and 15.10, all the way towards 18.56. This is the 1 minute live chart for Eloxx stock. So let's see what has happened on the. Let's look at its weekly chart and see if there's anything there. Okay, we're not seeing any projections there. We're not seeing anything. So the algos are projecting are more bullish on this 1 minute live chart for Eloxx, but don't rely on that. You know, there's a good chance that in the coming session we're going to see a retracement on in the stock. So see what you make of it, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.